Hello everybody, welcome to the Pictures with CJ White, and I am your host today, CJ White. Thank y'all for joining me this wonderful 34 degrees temperature Thursday morning. It's November the 6th, 2025. What I want to show y'all now, look at that moon. I'm going to scroll it in. It's a big moon this morning. Right over there is the interstate. And let me show you something here to show you how cold it is. Look at there, frost. Look at that. Windows frosted. And let y'all know that I'm here in Markle, Indiana. It is got a forecast for snow Sunday and Monday. Here it is, early in November. Hey, look at there. There goes a trailer, a single wide trailer. Somebody bought them a trailer, looks like. It looks nice, sun shining through the trees. A little clouds. A small bit of clouds up there, but the way it looks like it's going to be a clear day. There's a Dairy Queen and Vinatelli's restaurant. Ooh, I'm shivering. My camera's shaking because my head's shaking. It's cold out here. Woo! Then we got a Subway over there and a Phillips 66 gas station or convenience store. I've been in there, and this side where that little white car is, that's Subway. And over there where the white SUV and the pumps is, that's the store. Got some real nice workers over there, employees. Over there is the interstate. Whew. Guys, over there, warming up this vehicle. I'm gonna walk up here a little bit, show you what it looks like out through here. Look at that. Look at the birds up there. Whole line of birds. Woo, man. See, as you can tell, I got my jacket on. By the way, this is a Toyota jacket I've had for several years. I say several years. I had it somewhere around 50, 60, 17 years. I got this, my brother-in-law works at Toyota. He got this for me for Christmas from Toyota down in Georgetown, Kentucky. He works there. Been working there ever since I moved up to this part of the country in '96. He's been working there at least that long. Hey, I want y'all to see something. Look there. Frost on the ground, on the grass. Woo. Check it out. Frost. Look at there. Now that right there used to be a restaurant. I could have told you what the name of it used to be. Well, yeah, right up there. Daily Diner. This used to be a restaurant here. A little diner. See, it used to be called a Daily Diner. See, there's the inside of it. Counter. It looked like they had moved. Well, it looked like some of the tables are still in there. But there's a 18-wheeler sitting there for the night. I guess it's getting its hours. I guess it got its hours last night and pulled over to get some sleep. But that's the interstate right there. Woo, I'm going back. It is cold. Woo. Thank y'all for joining me this morning. Just want to let y'all know that thank y'all for joining me this morning. Just want to let y'all know that we're up for our first snowfall Sunday through Monday. Hey, looky here. Let's see. Quarter in a vacant lot. But getting it all trusted up. But I just wanted to come on in here, let y'all know I'm still alive and well. I've been blessed by the Lord in many different ways. It's a beautiful day. I'm looking forward for that first snowfall. And if y'all want to see my video of that snowfall, just click that like button and check and make sure you're subscribed. If you're not, go ahead and click that subscribe button. That'll help my YouTube algorithm. And I'll click that bell icon down below this video, and get notified Sunday, Monday to get them to watch them videos. I plan on making a video of the snow. I hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all remember John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. Can you imagine that? Jesus loved us so much. God loved us so much that he sent his Son, Jesus Christ, to die on the cross for our sins. He took the stripes upon his back for our healing. Hey, why you got your coat on for? You think it's cold?
Yeah.
I know my phone shut in, it's 34 degrees. But it'll heat that thing up. I got ice all around my car.
Yeah, my heater ain't working.
Oh, Lord.
Well, my heater works.
Yeah.
I will still run out.
Yeah.
But that's when you move.
I was just out here doing a little video on how cold it is this morning.
I sold my car.
Woo! Huh?
I sold my car the other day.
I was wondering what happened to it. I started to think y'all moved out on us. How long has that restaurant been shut down, or do you know?
Probably about 20 years.
About 20 years?
Yeah.
I guess. You know what caused it to shut down? Was it when
No, it's just, it wasn't getting no business.
just dead?
Yeah, it wasn't getting a lot of business.
Yeah.
It was a Waffle House, or
Well, it says Daily Diner.
can't think what it's called now.
Well, I'm gonna get out of this cold. I've been out here long enough. But we'll holler at you later. Oh, yeah, we don't want it to. We don't want the pipes to freeze up, do we? So there y'all have it, folks. Thanks for joining me. And if you like this video, please click that like and subscribe button, and click that icon button, bell, to get notified when I upload the next video. Y'all take care now. See ya.